Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to minimize all open programs with just two keys. This is Sakes Infotech if you are new to this channel. Please subscribe to the channel and click on the bell notification for more tech tips. I really appreciate that. And before we dive in, if you know the two keys I'm talking about, please give me a thumbs up. Thank you. So for the purpose of this tutorial, I've opened so many applications to demonstrate how to use the two keys to minimize all the open applications. So let me bring the applications up and then we see how it works. So I'll open the Edge browser, I'll open Chrome, I'll open the document, I'll open this application, I'll open the Telegram, I'll open the Instagram. So let me open my Photoshop. So I'm opening all the applications I've launched, okay? Then we'll demonstrate how it works. So I'll open the CapCut, then I'll bring the on-screen keyboard. Okay, so to minimize all these open applications, you don't have to be minimizing them one after the other. You can minimize them all at once by using the two shortcut keys. So we are going to use Windows logo key plus M simultaneously. So you see, I've minimized all at once. So this brings us to the end of the tutorial. It's a very quick one, of course. So please, if you find value in this tutorial, kindly hit on the subscribe button and click on the bell notification for more tech tips. Thank you for watching and bye-bye.